Hi, I'm Jaye Connally-Labelle, Chairman and CEO of RippleNami.
And Jaye, what does RippleNami do?
RippleNami is a B2B technology company working in developing nations to solve critical problems.
And give me some examples of
Sure.
the kinds of things that you do.
Right, so we just signed recently with Sierra Leone to make them a smart country. It's the first of its kind. So what we do is we offer a blockchain data visualization technology platform that allows anyone to be able to visualize data all in one place and be able to map it and then be able to make a difference in the world. For instance, in Kenya, we're working on livestock, tracking livestock from birth to slaughter to global market, all within an application. So everybody can see the data in a national database. Everybody has access to the same data, that we're working off the same pieces of data so that it's collaborative and it's collective and it's a visualization on a map at the end of the day.
Describe to me in practical terms how the cattle tracking works.
Okay, when a cow is born, it's get RFID tag immediately. So the RFID tag then gets logged into a system via the app and it gets scanned in. From there, veterinarians will go around and make sure that they have their vaccinations, any diseases, monitor the tracking, the migration. The farmers will be able to see where the cows are actually moving, and they can put them and monitor them through the whole entire life cycle of their life.
And this in effect gives the cow an identity, doesn't it?
Gives them a digital identity.
Yeah.
Correct.
And so who are your customers?
Our customers are governments, large corporations with a global footprint, and non-for-profits or non-NGOs.
Okay. And who is the capital backing the company?
We were backed by 4 VCs out of the United States and some angel investors early in 2015.
And what are your expansion plans over the next 18 months?
So we are currently in West Africa and East Africa. We are expanding to Southeast Asia as we speak. Our Chief Development Officer is over in Vietnam as we're talking at another tech conference, and we will continue to work on connecting unconnected populations of people, assets, and things throughout the developing nations.
In effect, you bring together 3 things: GPS coordinates, blockchain as a way of storing it, and identity information.
Correct.
Is that?
Yeah, what we found in Africa is the majority of people do not even have an ID. So without an ID, how do you become bankable? How do you have any assets? How do you ever become out of your extreme poverty into middle income? Which is what we're working on, is to elevating citizens, global citizens, to have a global inclusion into the world that we have.